Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing devices. Plug the watch in until it shows sufficient charge and turn Bluetooth on your phone. Open the companion app you installed and sign in if required. This creates a link for health data. Once done, grant the app location and notification permissions so background syncing and alerts work. You'll see a prompt to add a new device. Tap Add or Pair and follow on-screen pairing codes. This step establishes the secure connection that lets health data flow. After initiating pairing, you'll compare a code on the watch and phone, confirm it matches to authenticate the link. Then allow the app to access health data categories like steps, heart rate, and sleep so metrics populate correctly. Configure sync settings, choose automatic background sync or manual intervals, and set permissions for cellular or Wi-Fi transfers. Make sure battery-saving modes are off temporarily. They can block background refresh. This completes the core transfer setup, so readings arrive. You finish by calibrating sensors, take a short walk, perform a quick heart rate check, and enter height and weight in the app so metrics are accurate. Then enable activity goals and notification preferences to receive meaningful nudges. If syncing stalls, one key fix often works. Restart both phone and watch, confirm Bluetooth sees the device, and repair if needed. Make sure both devices run the latest firmware and app version. Updates resolve many connectivity and health tracking bugs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.